Hello and Merry Christmas from the garden here, well the greenhouse here at Great Cliff Exotic Gardening on Exotic Gardening UK, Yorkshire Kris Weekly. Thank you for watching all my videos this year. I've really enjoyed making them and sharing all the content, and I'll continue to do so next year and for many years to come. I really enjoy doing my garden visit videos and also the how-to videos and the progress of the garden videos. It's a very dull, dank end to the day. This is Christmas Eve when I'm filming this, and it's just to thank you for watching my videos basically. There's no content at all. Just a quick message just to say there won't be a regular video this Sunday. Just as it's Christmas, well, we're just doing this little thank you video for watching. We're nearly up to 10,000 subscribers, so as soon as we do hit that mark, which will hopefully be next month, then there'll be a giveaway of a onset Geneva to one lucky viewer, and details of that will be revealed as soon as we get to that 10,000 subscriber mark. At over 2 million views so far to the videos I've been producing over the years, which is a fantastic achievement. I'm really proud that so many people have watched my videos and hopefully continue to do so for many years to come. Like I said, it's been a good year in the garden, although it was pretty slow to get going at the start of the year in spring. But everything came good by the end of the year. Lots of hard work to get the garden ready for the open days that we had in August, and we'll be doing lots more work propagating plants in 2022, so there'll be loads and loads of plants available for the open day in August, or open days could be open on a Saturday and Sunday. More details of that will be available soon. Hopefully everybody is having or had a really good Christmas 2021. I know, like a lot of people, because of COVID and everything, people are not mixing as much, and for us here, well, I've got COVID at the moment, the same with some of my family members as well, so we're all staying in this house and keeping nice and cozy and just having a nice quiet family Christmas. So wishing you all the best for 2022. And hopefully we'll share our gardens and you'll see what my garden looks like in 2022, and I might be visiting a few of your gardens as well for next year's videos. So thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.